Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this series of recordings, we'll be teaching you exactly how to create geometries of all different types. Now, geometries is extremely important because that's the tool that you use to tell the program exactly where you want the tool to work on your part. Now, the types of geometries that we have are geometries such as chain geometries, which are used mainly in 2.5D operations such as profiles and pockets, and they're also used to define boundaries in many cases. And you'll see that as we go along in the program itself. The other type of geometries that we have are drill geometries, telling the drill exactly where to drill, in what hole. Those are more like points, to drill in specific points on the part itself. A third type of geometry that we have is called the model geometry or the solid geometry. That's actually picking the model itself to tell it to work on that model. This is usually used for all our different types of 3D operations such as HSR and HSM, iMachining 3D, defining a target, and so on and so forth. The last type of geometry that we have is choosing a surface geometry, and that is used for our HSS as well as our simultaneous operations. In the following recordings, we'll be discussing each and every one of these type of geometries with all of their options as how to create them in many different ways. So stay tuned for the next recordings that we have in this series on geometries. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.